So I am back, and not with the video I promised, which was supposed to be the van video. I have tried for a fair while to get that going. Done a lot of work. I'll put up here or something. I've done the work. I'm just hitting a brick wall here. I'm not an expert with diesels by any stretch of imagination. I'm not. So I'm going to heroically get help and just get a diesel mechanic out here to diagnose it. Can't always win. If they can get it running for me, I can do everything else. It's just getting it running initially that's a problem. So, in the interim, between videos of that, I picked this little guy up. It's a Suzuki 125 DF from 1984. Just through a friend of a friend. It's not running at the moment. I don't know what the go is. I'll have to have a good look. The only thing I have done is I have just loosened off the back brake because it was seized on, and that's it really. I can't see much wrong with it. I was told that the petrol tank is seeping, which is, you know, average for an old tank. But aside from that, there's no issues I can see. Really, it kicks over well. It feels like it's got good compression. Bit of a jump ahead here, just because this thing's not that bad really. It had good spark. The carby's nice and clean. Kicks over pretty well. The only problem really had was this tank being a bit leaky. So after a unreasonable amount of repair putty, tank repair putty, like this two-part thing that you knead together and you thumb over there and it sets like rock. It's finally apologies. It's finally watertight, well, petrol tight I guess. So the only thing I'm going to do now is just try and get this dent out a little bit that's here, just by tacking on bits like this and whacking it with a hammer, try and pop it out. I'm not too bothered. I just want to get it running. This could be like an overtime kind of thing if I get fussed about it, or I get a bee in my bonnet, or that's when I get a bit of repair practice on tanks. I'll take it off and just try and make it look pretty. But for now, this will be fine. Not too shabby. On. Fuel cap on. I'll just check that it's actually come through. This is legitimately the first time I try to start it. See what happens. Not much. Persistence pays off. Holy shit. Ow. By the way, don't try and kickstart bikes with thongs on. It hurts. I'm dumb. Right, well, runs for that long. Ah! Ah! Oh fuck. I swear I'm not out of shape. This shit just takes effort. Well, somewhat of a win, I guess. Anyway, so as the title of the video says, 2 pineapples for 1 Suzuki. Basically, a pineapple is a colloquial term for an Australian $50 note, because they're yellow. We're smart like that. Why are they yellow? Don't know. We're a colourful people. So, $100 for this guy. I think it's not a bad deal at all. The only thing left now to do to get it running, or to make it move, I guess, is new clutch cable and new clutch handle bar. One of those things. Anyway, see if I can get it running first. You will see many costume changes. I do these videos when I have time, which isn't very much. So it's spaced over quite a few days or weeks, and there'll always be changes in what I'm wearing. Anyway, just so you're not looking for continuity stuff here, it's not going to happen. Let's see if she'll start at least, eh? Quick go. That wasn't bad. Persistence pays off. Don't know what I did. I feel like I adjusted the idle screw up a bit. Kicking out a bit of smoke there. Try again. Well, that's the first time it's actually revved out. Still be idling a bit high. Bit of smoke coming from there. Maybe it chewed on a bit of crap. I'll take that as a win though. Now let's try the horn. Oh no, no horn. No good. Hey, the headlight works. Awesome. So I only came to check if this part would fit, so naturally I'm installing it in my pajamas. It's like an ADHD lesson here or something, I swear. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Right, that should fit. Cool. You never know ordering sometimes whether you're going to get the part that fits or not, because you're working off of 40-year-old bike parts. So you kind of have to do a best guess and go by the picture. You do fail sometimes, but you do well sometimes otherwise. This one seems to be a win, so hey. Alright, I'm off to bed. Good night. Next problem. This tyre is dead. It does hold air, but it just leaks slowly, so, and it's not worth trying to fix it properly because it's about dead. So I'll just chuck some green slime in there and use it till it pops. Basically, replace it when I need to. A little bit in there and then to help it. Now, did that work or did that just twist the plastic to all hell? Ooh! Holy crap, that actually worked. I really didn't expect that to work. I thought I'd just bend these little bits to nothing. Awesome. I know. It reckons a whole lot, so I guess we'll go with a whole lot of it. I should let it live for a little bit longer until it eventually pops completely. Then I'll get a nice new one. May as well pop the back wheel off, have a look at the brakes. They are pretty seized, so hopefully I better free them up. Hey, that came out in one piece. Awesome. Check the lever on the other side. And off you come. And there goes the wheel. Sweet. I'm not sure I addressed this in my other videos, but brakes on bikes are very simple. They're just drum brakes basically. For the most part, like Suzuki's and Hondas. They just have drum pads. And the actual wheel hub is the drum. There's a little thing in here, like a spade. It's supposed to be straight like that. When it's straight, they're down. When the brake arm moves, when you engage your brake, it twists that bit and it pushes them out and it applies the brakes. This is stiff, so I'm just going to pop it apart, give it a clean, lube it up, and it probably is going to be just fine. These things are pretty bulletproof. Actually using brake cleaner to clean brakes, it's such a weird feeling. Oh, they're kind of glazed. See how that, like it's all really smooth? That's what glazing means. It can happen on pads and on the drums themselves, so see if doing this will help. You can hit them with sandpaper, but just be careful because old brakes were made with asbestos, so you don't want to go sanding that. Probably best not to muck around with them. Just give them a clean off. That should be right. Here. Bugger. Yeah, well. It snapped, but it's off at least. Cool. Probably too much. Ow! Fuck you. So put a bit of grease in here. There's like a little recess where you can pop some grease in there. I think that's what it is anyway. It's a lot better now. Do the test. Yeah, there we go. Works just fine. Okay, with the use of video magic. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, gear selector's a bit squishy. I'll pop that off. It's probably just like lost a bit of teeth here, so I can pop it off. Maybe chuck a bit of weld in there just to reinforce it. I don't know, might just need tightening a little bit. Either way, it's all floppy. I gotta stop playing with this. That's a bit better. I don't know. Seems good. Oh. Bit late. Got in trouble. Right, land it here. Runs, rides, stops, does everything I want it to. So it's pretty good. If I do anything cosmetic or something else to it, I'll update, do like a little mini video. But no, aside from that, we're all good here. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.